So what this is about, this is all about introducing our new products. Okay, WWS is known for our static grass applicators, our glues, our static grass, which I feel is a finishing off product. So we've developed a starter product, so the start of your scenery. So we're basically, over the next few weeks, we're going to come and turn this board. Hide my ugly face. Yeah, we're turning that little board into a diorama. It's just going to be a diorama, so there won't be any track on it or any running trains. I just want to showcase what you can do with our stuff. We've got a new Martyn sheet coming out. None of this product, most of these products are already available from other people, right? But this is ours. I'm just hoping that you can come to us if you like our products. Come to us. You know what I mean, from start to finish, basically. So we've got a new Martyn sheet. Again, that's going to be starting off. I'll show you exactly what to do. We've got new plasters, but there's a lot more bigger range of the plasters that we've got here. We've got textured ones, we've got moulding ones, fibre mould. We've got new weathering powders coming out. There's a selection there, a few selections there. I've got terrain powders coming out. Again, we're going to show you how to blend in with the static grass to make it look a lot more realistic. We're working on water. It is a two-part epoxy resin water. I'm working with our chemist right now just to define it. But I have tested on some of our products here. It's just really exciting. I can't wait. It was just going to be loads and loads and loads of new products that we're going to show, and I'm going to show it as helps and tips. It is going to be on the Facebook, on the discussion page, just to show you some hints and tips, and hopefully you guys will, you know, give us some feedback off that as well. You know, to say that, oh, if we'd have done it this way, it could have been better. I got paint ranges coming out as well. We've got terrain paint ranges. It's only a limited range because, you know what I mean, it's only either going to be stone or brown or green. So there's not a big range and stuff like that. But everything that we do is all going to go towards the end of the product. I'm excited. I know the guys here are excited. And Josh is probably shaking his hand because, you know what I mean, he's excited as well. We're going to have some fun, really good fun. Yeah. So stay tuned. It's going to start next week. We've got a busy schedule. Even Josh is getting up early for it as well, which he's a bit of a snowflake, so and he can't edit that one out because that's on Facebook Live. No, we're gonna have some fun. So stay tuned. Please comment, like, share. You know what I mean? Share the group around. Let's get that up to thousands and thousands of people looking at us. That'd be great. Thank you for the support. Thank you, Facebookers. See you in a bit, and thanks very much. Cheers.